I'm a retired accountant, by the way. I'm into business right now. On top of that, I also do work like consulting jobs. I'm a retired accountant, so I have to find a way to feed my families. Back in September 2023, we were planning to buy a car for our daughter's use. Kasi medyo tight na yung activity niya sa school yung schedules. Na rin namin siya mahatid, masundo. As parents, we need yung portable siya sa pagdadrive. We were looking for a compact SUV. That's why we focus on this 5X Pro Hybrid. I have two other brands of cars. These two other brands of cars, we don't have this 360-degree camera. Don't have this hybrid system. And those two attracted us to the car. Meron kaming tatlong sasakyan. One of those is this Chery. And she used the Chery a lot. Features, smoothness, he likes it. Then my son likes the car. He can play a lot with the Apple Play, Android Auto, so they like those because mga techie na ngayon yung mga kids. We went to Baguio. So talagang na-feel namin yung efficiency and comfort ng sasakyan. We force it to drive very long and hindi kami pinaya. Busy ako, maraming asikasong bagay, consulting job ako, merong small businesses. You can say na yung Cheritigo, nakatulong sa amin. Hindi pa ako pinaya nito. Pag may need na kailangan tumakbo agad, aasahan mo talaga siya. At nung gusto mong features, nandun na siya. From technology to safety.
Gives us the confidence na kapag yung ginamit ito ng daughter ko, safe siya,
and magiging happy siya. I will highly recommend Chery because of the experience that we had with the car.